Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming tickets and linking every guest in My Disney experience. That saves seconds when making selections. Once done, buy Genie Plus or the specific Lightning Lane passes you need before the booking window opens. At the app, choose your park and mark your top priorities. Pick the fastest-moving rides first. You move now because availability changes quickly. Acting early gives you access to the best return times and prevents costly last-minute swaps. You should place your first Lightning Lane pick immediately at the allowed time. That secures your slot and opens the clock to make another booking later. Then, stagger return windows so you can stack additional selections throughout the day. Aim for one early, one midday, one late. Keep refreshing the tip board for drops and use modify or cancel to replace a poor time with a better one. By actively managing your selections, you maximize rides without wasting standby time. You complete the sequence by redeeming each Lightning Lane at the posted return time. Tap your mobile pass at the entrance and follow cast member instructions. If you miss a slot, immediately search for a replacement or a later same-day drop. Sometimes walk-on windows open and you can rebook. When the app misbehaves, log out and back in, update the app, or hand your device to guest services for a manual scan. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart your phone if NFC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.